Life was perfect that day. The snow covered the land and enveloped it in a magical silence. The meaning of life was no question on that day. The perfect day to create great things, to make art. But all of a sudden, I got this phone call and I had to leave. And a few hours later, my workshop was a mess. Everywhere were standing boxes and boxes full of free tools. Yeah, and thanks, I really appreciated that phone call and I'm very grateful for that opportunity. For example, there were a lot, and I mean a lot, of wooden mallets. Another highlight was this workbench with 3 nice drawers. One you can see over there. And yeah, I put it over there. Here it is, a very nice workplace. And yeah, the shelf I had to move over there. And I also added some drawers, which I got from there. Yeah, I got all the stuff from an old house that had to be cleared out because it will be demolished. Thanks to the person who gave all this to me for free. And it took me some days to reorganize my shop and give everything a new home. And if you're interested in a more detailed video about that, just let me know in the comments. But now back to my self-portrait. So hi guys, whatever happens, I promise you I will never rest a single minute until this is done. So in this part I will show you what it means to make one row of this art piece and how long it takes. And yeah, then I will continue working until it's done and show you the final result in the final video, but it will take a while. Let's go. So now I can start to lay out my wooden squares, and I have to make sure to get the transitions right. And when I glue up 2 colors, I also glue up the counterpart and save it in this box, so I can use it later if needed. So the pencil marks show you the pieces I have to cut, and I also could use a lot of my prepared pieces. Seems to be a good row. It also happens that I have to combine 3 colors, which is here or here. Yeah, and if I do not already have the angle, I have to add it to my saw block, which you can see me doing here. So here you can see my clamping technique. I covered the pieces in some tape, and here it add pressure from the top, and here I clamped on 2 pieces and put some wedges in the middles to add pressure there as well. So thanks for watching. If you want to support my work, check out my other content, leave some likes, and maybe subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day. See you on another project. I'm out.